Good morning, dear kids. Welcome to your English OPE book. Today we will read third and fourth paragraph of lesson 3, unit 3. Let's read. Here is a dog. The dog sees the pancake. Woof woof, says the dog. What a nice pancake. I want to eat you up. Oh no, says the pancake. You can't eat me up because I am running away. The pancake runs away. The woman, the cow, and the dog run after it. Here is a river. The pancake can't cross the river because it can't swim. Aha, says the woman, the cow, and the dog. Now we can eat the big pancake. Oh dear, says the pancake. Hello, says the crocodile. Can I help you? Dear kids, now it's your homework to read and write third and fourth paragraph of Unit 3, Lesson 3. Allah Hafiz.